Here are 3 quick tips that brought me from 1 year ago, averaging less than 30 words per minute, to me now typing more than 80, 90, potentially 100 words per minute. I mean, just look at my man going. Although I am comparing myself to 1 year ago, but I actually just started to get into the typing world a couple months earlier. Either way, I became a lot faster at typing, which enables me to get down my ideas faster and overall increase my creativity and productivity in general. And in additional, I ramble trash talks in the chat a lot quicker than before. So tip number 1 you want to use with muscle memory, or in other words, don't look down your keyboard as often. So this means have a good feeling of the keyboard, know where the keys are located and how big the keycaps are, which I tend to find quite challenging. But anyhow, in this way you won't have to look down the keyboard every time, because not only will that slow you down when it comes to typing, but you're also likely to get some neck problems before finishing the sentence. One side note is that it's okay to have personal preference. So for example, for me, I tend to type a lot faster on my laptop keyboard because the keycaps on them are way larger than a mechanical keyboard on my computer, which is totally fine. But here's the thing, no matter what you're typing on, you always want to find a motivation or a goal to work towards too. So I started to grind my fingers, no pun intended, because of this dude A told dude B in my class that if dude B can type more than 60 words per minute, he'll give him $1. Now this is just an example, but just always find a goal to work towards too. And here in typing, you want to find long-term goals because results don't come overnight. Now I know that you came here for the shortcuts, so yeah, come closer. There's just no such thing as this. It's just practice and practice and practice. When it comes to practicing, make sure to have a good posture, so that means sitting straight, hands relaxed. And if you haven't realized already, there are these little bumpy thingies on F and J keys, and that's where you want to locate both of your index fingers. Now when it comes to the platform, I personally use Monkey Type primarily because it has the most customizable features, from changing language to changing the complexity of the words, which I tend to slow down a lot with them, and this cute little monkey. Now you don't want to spend your time all in the casual mode, because in reality there's a lot of things that you have to type. For example, punctuations, numbers, just a lot more than just what Monkey Type's normal base mode give you. It's not only words. So play with the numbers and punctuations tab a bit, because in this way you can also flex your typing skill while type racing with others, and you're not only a Monkey Type person who can only type words and nothing else. So in conclusion, there are many aspects to consider about when practicing and you want to try to increase your typing skill. But I think the biggest lesson that I learned by myself is to try to just compare with yourself and not anyone that's like your friends or whatever, because at the end of the day you're improving your typing skill for yourself, right? Flexing with your friends is only the cherry on top. It's not like the main course, like not the main purpose, another no pun intended. But anyways, this is getting too motivational, too emotional, but yeah, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and like, and because there's gonna be 2 videos that are coming up, I'm almost done with them and you definitely don't want to miss them. So yeah, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.